Hello student, today we will learn and write A to Z small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye bye, students.